Welcome back to the Big Sweep. In today's video, we're diving into the world of DIY cleaning solutions, and we've got something exceptional in store for you. We're about to reveal how to make your very own DIY washing soda right in the comfort of your home. And why is that a big deal? Because DIY washing soda is the secret ingredient behind DIY cleaning products that really work. So let's talk about why DIY washing soda is such a game changer for your cleaning routine. It's a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. Once you're convinced of its magic, we'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to make your very own washing soda at home. You'll only need a few simple items that you likely already have in your kitchen. Here's what you'll need. Baking soda, our star ingredient. A baking sheet, preferably an old one, or an oven-safe baking dish. An oven. With these basic supplies, you'll be well on your way to creating a powerful cleaning agent that can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks around your home. This is the step-by-step tutorial that will guide you through the entire process, from preheating your oven to the magic temperature, to watching the subtle transformation of baking soda into washing soda. It's a DIY project that's not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, grab your baking sheet or dish, and cover it with a sheet of parchment paper. Spread an even layer of baking soda, breaking up any large clumps with your fingers. A 1-pound box of baking soda is enough to cover a regular-sized baking sheet. When the oven is up to temperature, place the baking sheet in the oven for 1 hour. Stir the baking soda every 15 minutes. It is okay if the baking soda is in the oven for more than 60 minutes, but less than 60 minutes will not produce the desired result. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and allow your homemade washing soda to cool. Once it's cooled, store the washing soda in an airtight container so it does not reabsorb moisture. From laundry detergents to all-purpose cleaners, you'll see how it effortlessly cuts through grease. Remove stubborn stains and leaves your surfaces and fabrics looking pristine. Thanks for being a part of the Big Sweep community. With DIY washing soda, you'll be armed with the secret to creating DIY cleaning products that are both effective and environmentally conscious. Until next time, embrace the DIY lifestyle and enjoy a cleaner, greener world. So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game with DIY cleaning products that really work, make sure to watch the rest of the DIY videos to come. And don't forget to tap that subscribe button, share this video with your DIY-loving friends, and click on the provided link to explore our next video where we'll teach you how to create an amazing DIY laundry detergent using your freshly made washing soda.